only they family members have that last name. So she know that any Bordeaux person that she meet is like her family member.
Gotcha.
She done found hellas of our family members, from black people to mixed, with the last name Bordeaux, and reached out to them and let it be known that, hey, you family. So that's kind of tight to me that she got her own like family name. Or family last name, because she don't got the same last name as me. My last name Brandon, hers is Bordeaux. So she got a whole family line just off their last name. It's tight. There's a lot of French people here.
I know. Because remember, like, the Louisiana Purchase from the South, a lot of them migrated to the Prairie.
Now, all my people's from California too, so they're not from her anyways. They just came here afterwards. Their kids, I guess. They like.
Nothing wrong with settling here, you know?
Yeah, I love my city. Sometimes I be wishing I was from shit out of town somewhere, but shit, I love my city. It ain't nowhere I want to stay though. There's so much more to see in the world. And I think people here, we love our city so much and we're so used to not having shit and just getting stuff whenever it do come to us.
It's a billionaire here. His name is David School. First black billionaire here. So there's people that got some bread here.
It's a lot of talent here too. A lot of people.
My great grandfather played for the NBA here, the NBA team here. Coming up, he was like one of the people that really inspired me to play basketball and want to go to the league because he played for like straight up ABA here. So you know, it's money here. You just gotta. You be thinking on that frequency to get it. And then you put a plan or idea in motion to go get it, and then you manifest it. So there's people here that's getting money. Just can't have that victim mentality like something happened to you, even though it may be. You got to be stronger than what happened to you and go get it.
Go-getters, so I know.
Yeah.
It's gonna get cold, ain't it?
In September, the temperature does drop and change. My girlfriend, when I was in my 20s, when I was about your age, she had cysts on her ovaries and she couldn't conceive.
I got cysts on my ovaries.
We enjoyed practicing, but she produced a higher level of testosterone for a woman. She was 6'4" and 200 some odd pounds. Yeah, she played basketball. We was going to go to the NBA together. She was going to go to the WNBA and I was going to try to go to the NBA. And whenever she would conceive, she would miscarriage. So I never.
I hope see, that's my problem. That's why I want to get healthy because I got cysts on my ovaries. But I feel like I can't conceive either, but they say.
I believe you can.
I feel like,
I
feel like it depends on the person too. Like God, if nobody got my back, my higher powers than God do. So God knows. And I feel like it's gonna happen naturally, but I done tried and it ain't worked. But I done have people that got kids that be like, oh, that's what I thought too. I thought my shit didn't work. Till that motherfucking baby came.
I don't mind work. I know hers work, it just didn't stay long in her fallopian tube. It didn't attach to her uterus properly.
That's why when I have a kid, I want to make sure I can help in everything. So I make sure I bring a healthy baby in the world. People just be trying to have kids. Like, if I have a kid, I want to prepare for it.
She was my best friend. We had plans. Like we was in high school making plans and trying to figure out how life was gonna go and figuring out stuff. And we both had a level of growth with each other when we kind of grew together. We went to church together. You know what I'm saying? Our families started intermingling. I was babysitting her nephews and her nieces. I'm sorry. Like we literally was moving like we was a married couple. We was in a long-term relationship. Like I really did want to marry that woman.
I thought that before a couple times. Shit, thought I was in love. Thought I wanted some shit. I'm like, I look back and I'm like, God, I'm so appreciative because I'm so glad I didn't have no kid with that person or do what I wanted to do because I would be in a hellhole right now.
Life is about learning.
A lot of learning.
And healing.
Especially.
Learning and healing and developing.
Being in the moment, that's why they say don't act off emotions, because man, being in the moment, it just shit is different.
She used to always tell me to live in the moment because I'm a planner. I like to plan shit out. You know what I'm saying?
That's all I can do is live in the moment. Like that's all it really be about is living in the moment. It don't be about a year later looking back at that moment. If you wasn't living in a moment, it's when you look back on it, it's not really all that. You feel me? It was more of a bad situation for you than a good because you wasn't living it to the fullest. You wasn't living in the moment. That's how I am in my situations now.
You living in the moment.
I just like I spend all like I can have $1,000 today and I be like, man, I ain't finna not buy what I want because, and I got the money for it. Like, no, I got the money for it. I want it. Like, live in the moment. You never know. You could be gone tomorrow and what's left behind? Oh, your $1,000 that you was thinking about saving or keeping for who knows what. Like, no.
I do feel you.
You gotta live in the moment, man.
I feel you, man.
But you always make sure your priorities straight.
You also got a plan.
I do. So like that's why I never play with me. I'm still with the bullshit.
Why you don't play with yourself?
Yeah, I don't play with myself. That's why I don't play with nobody.
Okay,
I got a whole video saying that